Hey everyone, it's Jasmine back on SellerAmp's YouTube channel. If you guys can see the title of today's video, I'm going to be going over how to utilize the SellerAmp calculator to calculate your FBM listings. Now, I know most of you guys know that I mainly do FBA, but there's a lot of beginners who want to start off doing FBM. So I'm going to show you how to calculate the shipping. It's actually really easy. A lot of people may think it's a little more complicated, but it's really just up to you. If you haven't already, make sure to watch to the end of this video and subscribe and like to SellerAmp's YouTube channel. Okay, so I just have a listing pulled up right here for you guys right now. So if you can see on here at Target, this Yankee candle is going on sale for $16.89, but there is a deal. If you purchase two, you get buy one, get one 50% off. So you can purchase as much as you want. Well, actually, I think this one's limited to only like 10. So you'll be able to purchase 10 and you'll be able to get buy one, get one 50% off. As you guys can see here, see one deal for this item, and you see it says buy one, get one 50% off select candles, and it expires May 11th. So if we do the calculations with this product, basically we would be doing the 16.89 divided by 2, and then we'll do plus 16.89 again, and then let's just divide it by 2. And we see 12.66 is going to be our cost price. Now, if you are charged tax, you're gonna add the tax percentage based off of your state. Mine is 7%. So I would add in 13.55 into my cost price on SellerAmp. So make sure to get the SellerAmp software if you haven't already. If you haven't, then go ahead, go to selleramp.com and you can try your free trial today. It's actually an extension and an app, so you can use it when doing online arbitrage on your computer, or you can do it on your phone if you're doing retail arbitrage. You can also use this for wholesale as well. So you're going to be putting in your cost price. So your cost price is the price that you plan on buying it for, the total price. So including taxes, if you're charged, 13.55 is going to be what I'm charged. And we see that it's going on Amazon right now for $36. Now, obviously you have to make sure that you're logged in, so then you can make sure you're ungated in the product. And if not, then you can go ahead, see if you can purchase 10 units to provide the invoice and get approved for that. Now, if it's asking for a little more, that's where you're gonna have to look for some other place, because Target only allows 10 units. So we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna see that it is going on sale we see that it's on Amazon for $36, and that's the sale price. Now, a lot of people will forget to include their FBM shipping to the customer. Since you're doing FBM, fulfillment by a merchant, you're shipping it straight to the customer rather than shipping it straight to Amazon. So you have to make sure to include your fees for your shipping. That's the main fee that a lot of people forget to calculate before they even purchase the product. And then when they get the order, they're super excited. And then when they realize that they have to pay this amount in shipping, they're either breaking even or being in the negatives or just getting cents profit. It's just not even worth it if you're not calculating it before. So like you guys heard, I do mainly FBA, but if you want to do FBM for a certain listing, you're going to just scroll down to the profit calculator and you're going to toggle on FBM and toggle off FBA. And then it's going to give you the FBM costs. So it's actually just going to say blank. It's going to say 0, and you have to input the FBM cost. Now the FBM cost is your shipping cost. So what you can do is go based off of these numbers. So for 0 to 3 ounce products, it's going to be ranging around $350 to $450 for the cost, the FBM cost. If it's 4 to 7 ounces, it's going to be $450 to $550. If it is within the 8 to 11 ounce range, it's going to be around $5 to $650. Now, if it's 12 to 15 ounces, it's going to be $550 to $650. And then anything over a pound, around a pound to 3 pounds, it's usually going to be $9 to $13. Now, if you don't know the exact ounces or weight of the actual product, that is perfectly fine, because if you go on SellerAmp and you scroll all the way to the top and you click this little box thing right here, it's actually going to let you know the weight. So you see the weight here says 2.54 pounds. So that's going to leave us within the range of the 1 to 3 pound range. Now, I personally prefer you automatically just go with the highest number. And I want to say that because when you are, listing your products on Amazon, you never know how close that customer that is going to be buying from you is from your area. So I would say range as high as you can. So personally, I would recommend you to go with the higher number and the higher estimate just to make sure that you're still profitable. Because let's just say somewhere, let's say you're on the East Coast and then a customer buys from the West Coast, obviously it's gonna be way more. But if someone purchases from the East Coast and you're in the East Coast, then it's probably gonna be a little cheaper, and it's probably gonna be between 9 and 13. But it's just best to range higher so then you can make sure that you're still going to be profitable, because you just really don't know which customer is going to be buying from you and how far they are from you. So you're gonna go down and you're gonna include. So that's why it was 13 before. Remember, you have to make sure to include it. Okay, so then 13, and then we're gonna see if we're still profitable, if we're still at least 25% ROI. And as you can tell, we are. So profit is $4.05 and ROI is 29%, 29.89%. So this is a good product if you were already ungated in the product and you already have the products ready to go. This would be a good product. Now, you probably might be able to get even more profit, more ROI, but we just want to make sure that the highest shipping cost is going to be still profitable within our range and our criteria, which you would want over 25% ROI, which we are already. So that's actually a really easy way to calculate your FBM cost before you purchase the product. And you would want to do this for every single product. So like I said, again, go ahead and screenshot this right now, so then you can keep this on your phone, on your notes or whatever. So then whenever you're sourcing and analyzing products for FBM, you can already just simply input your costs right then and there. Now, there's a lot of other FBM things that you should note, but go ahead and watch the SellerAmp YouTube channel and the YouTube videos. There's a lot of different FBM tutorials that Warner and Miles also makes. So go ahead and look at their videos. They go more in depth when it comes to FBM shipping templates and FBM orders and whatever. Now, if you guys want to learn more about FBA specifically and you want more tutorials from me, you can go ahead to my YouTube channel, Jazz Hustles. I post every single Friday and I have a lot of new tutorials out and running for you guys. But like I said, make sure to follow SellerAmp's YouTube channel. There is a lot of different tutorials made by a lot of different creators that will help you with your Amazon journey. Now, if you haven't gotten SellerAmp already, I don't know what you're doing, but make sure to download it. Make sure to sign up for it at selleramp.com, and also make sure to follow them on all of their social medias. Now, I'm not sure if you guys have heard, but SellerAmp is coming out with a Walmart product sourcing tool called WAMP. And if you're interested in giving it a go and trying it out, especially if you are becoming a Walmart seller as well, then go to wamp.com and go ahead and sign up for it. It's going to be really, really beneficial. Now, I know the main thing with Walmart selling market is that there's really not much data to go based off of, because there's really not that much people selling on Walmart right now. So I highly recommend, just because you have an Amazon selling account doesn't mean you should just sell on Amazon, right? You want to make sure to diversify. All the products that you get regated in, or the products that just didn't sell for you on the Amazon marketplace, they may be able to sell for you on Walmart as well. So if you have any dead stock, any dead inventory, or you just want to make multiple income streams from Walmart and Amazon, then go ahead and sign up for Walmart today if you haven't already. I actually just emailed the Walmart support. They activated my account today, so I'm excited for that. But I highly recommend you guys to diversify, and if you haven't already, make sure to go to wamp.com so then you can start your trial today. And yeah, that's pretty much it with me. Like I said, go ahead, follow this channel, and also make sure to like it up. Okay, so I will see you guys another day on SellerAmp's YouTube channel, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.